It's time for another unboxing. The Vegan Kind box for February has just arrived, so let's have a look inside and see what there is. So, right. Last time it came with a recipe which was from Bosch, if I remember rightly. So this time we have got some pancakes, which Pancake Day is coming up at some point soon. Yeah. I always forget and miss it. But we've got berry and coconut cream pancakes, which, yeah, berry and coconut is always a good combination. So yeah, we'll be keeping that aside to give that a go nearer the time. I do have like a really simple pancake recipe that I normally go to, but you know, it's always good to see other ones. If the ingredients list isn't too long, then I'll give it a go. If it's a long one, I've not got the patience. I've got my own recipe, I'll just deal with that. So I was wondering how long it would take Gigi to come into this. This time we have got some black eyed pea puff snacks, cheese flavour, always a good flavour, cheese flavour. We have got barbecue flavour roasted chickpeas, which also look amazing. Oh, these look really interesting. Popped lotus seeds. So again, they're kind of like crunchy things, but popped lotus seeds sounds really interesting, and they're caramel flavour. I didn't spot that before, so that looks, ooh, they're gonna be nice. They'd be nice on top of like pancakes as something crunchy, or on top of like a pudding. Looking forward to them. We have got My vegan protein blend strawberry. Now I have to admit, we've got the vegan protein powder left over from last month because it's not something we use. So if you have any suggestions on using it, please put it in the comments, because it's just not something that we use. Neither of us are gym bunnies, and yeah, we just don't use it. So that'll be another one to use up. We have got some tea plus vitamins. These will probably go to work with me because I've got enough tea at home and I don't tend to do like fruity ones at home, but we've got an apple and blackcurrant and a raspberry and pomegranate. They sound lovely, so I'll put them in my bag to take to work this weekend. If you could scooch just a little bit. We have got black cherry lip balm. Lip balm just seems to be something that I collect. I end up with hundreds of the buggers. So now I've got another one to add to it. Unfortunately this one has broken, but I can always melt it down into like a tub or a... Do you mind? Shh. Thank you. I can always melt it down into like a tin or something. So then that way I've not got to worry about that broken lid and it like melting in my bag and getting everywhere. So black cherry lip balm. Actually, I'm really pleased that this isn't a tinted one, because I hate tinted ones. And I like cherry, so often I have the cherry one that is tinted and I just don't wear it. We have got, now this looks really good, candied jalapeno relish. We both love chili sauce, we love spicy things, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. That's going to be a cool one, and it's like proper nice and thick and gloopy, and oh, that is going to be amazing. And last but not least, this has also been bashed a little bit. We have got what looks like 2 walnut whips. We were talking about that not that long ago, and we were saying, oh, I really wish there were like walnut whips because I kind of miss them. No, it turns out there are. So where are these from? Let's have a look. Does it have where they're from? Suffolk. Oh, crap, they're English, so we can probably get a hold of them. Damn it. So yeah, walnut whips. They seem to be mostly intact, but at the end of the day, doesn't really matter. And that is it. That is what we've got this time. And Gigi, hi, has, let me move you over a bit, has another box, which he is going to be extremely happy about, because he's already started taking this out so that he can get it everywhere, hey? So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on Patreon for some other videos, and we will see you next time. Bye!